Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nika, and as you can tell by the title, today we're gonna be doing a maintenance vlog for my cruise slash birthday, my 21st birthday at that. Right now I am waiting to go in for my nail appointment. Yesterday I did my brows. I did a little last minute shopping, or not really last minute, but yeah, I did a little last minute shopping. I had to wash my hair, so please excuse how I'm looking. Today is Monday. The cruise is on Thursday, and it's actually my birthday is also on that day as well. And yeah, in this vlog I'll be doing my hair, my lashes, and what else? I might do a little packing today. I'm actually gonna try to start packing. I get my lashes done tomorrow, and Wednesday I'm doing my hair. I'm a little nervous about my hair being on the day before the cruise, but yeah, I'll see y'all once I get inside to get my nails done. Okay, y'all, so I just finished my nail appointment. These are my nails. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna pack. I want to pack today because tomorrow I'm gonna be so busy, and I don't think I'll have time, especially with work after. So my goal is to pack, or at least get majority of my packing done. So I'll see you guys then. I'm about to probably go get something to eat, and I'll head over. Well, I'll head home, and yeah, I'll see y'all then. Okay, hello y'all. Today is Tuesday, and I came back to change my nails. Not too much. I just changed this to like regular French, and this to like more of a it looks more like a snake pattern, but I wasn't feeling the raised bumps and the maintenance with my job. I was not gonna go for that, but they look so nice. I went to Nails by Vicky. I'll be sure to put her on the screen. And today it's 8:18 at the moment, and my next appointment is at 11:30 for my for my facial and my lashes. So I'm gonna go back home and probably get some more sleep and eat something, and then I'll see y'all then. After that appointment, I will be getting a wax, but I'm not gonna take y'all along, but I'll try to take y'all along for the facial and my lashes. So I'll see y'all then. Okay, y'all, so I just made it to my lash appointment. Here's a quick before I go in, and I'll see y'all then. I don't know if I told y'all before, I'll be doing my lashes and a facial. So please disregard my face. I don't know if it looks ashy on camera, but please disregard how my face is looking all dry and dehydrated. I just didn't put anything on since I'm going to get a facial, but I'll see y'all then. Y'all, my lash tech wasn't feeling her best, so I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do. My SD. So y'all, my esthetician wasn't feeling her best, so I gotta figure. She even tried to push through just to do my lashes and whatnot, but unfortunately she couldn't do it. But y'all, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do. At least, you know, try to get my lashes done, because I know it's gonna be hard to find somebody to do my facial last minute. So I'll give y'all an update on that. At 2:30 I got my wax appointment, as I told y'all before. I'm not gonna take y'all long, so I guess I'll just update y'all tonight, or see y'all tomorrow or something. Yeah, so I'll see y'all then. Okay, y'all, so today is Wednesday, and tomorrow is my birthday and the day of the cruise. Excuse the way I look right now. My hair is half done. I had to come back to get my lashes done and the facial, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I gotta go back once I'm done to go finish off my hair, and I'm gonna see y'all then. Y'all, the way I want to cry right now, like my skin decided to break out now. Like, why did my cycle have to come on? This is too much. But I'm gonna try to still make the best of it once again. But yeah, I'll see y'all then for real. Currently waiting. But yeah. And y'all, like, I'm packed. I'm pretty much packed. I gotta do the last finishing packing, and then yeah, that's it. I gotta prepare my outfit. Like, my outfit's already set, but like I gotta iron it. It's a little set, but that's that. Definitely gotta make sure I get some sleep so I could wake up early in the morning to start heading to the port. And yeah, check-in time is like 12:30 to 1. We gotta leave early, so. But I'm excited regardless. I've never been on a cruise before, and we're gonna see how this one goes. I'm gonna try my best to vlog as well for that, and I'll be in the next video, and I'll see y'all then. For real this time. Please excuse my hair at the moment. It's almost done, but I did get my lashes done. As you guys can see, I got a facial as well. I'm gonna go finish my hair, and I'll see y'all after, I guess. Okay, y'all, so I have just made it not too long ago. This is the hair. Got some knotless braids, and then these are my lashes. We're cute, we're nice. The girl who did my plaits are plaits by Milo, and the one who did my the lady who did my lashes, I always forget it, so I'm gonna just put it on the screen. But like, I always forget her at. But yeah, I didn't record me getting the braids, me getting lashes, because I was just so, I don't know, I think I was just so frustrated. I was at the point where I just wanted to go home, but that's over with. I gotta finish some last minute like prepping. Like I just gotta put a couple things in my bags, and yeah, it's the fact that it's currently like 2:35 in the morning, and I gotta get up early so we could go to the port. Like, but that's that. I'm gonna just go ahead and say this is the end of this video. Please be sure to tune into the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also share, and also click that notification bell. I want to apologize to y'all because I think this vlog is like honestly all over the place, but I tried my best. I really did. But I'll see you on the next one. Stay blessed.